Hi everyone, I am Folashayo Samuel Layemi, a technical sales engineer. Are you still shackled to legacy relational databases? Imagine migrating to a cutting-edge document model platform in just one day. On May 22nd, MongoDB and Tier5 Technologies are bringing legacy modernization day to Nigeria at Eko Hotel Suites in Lagos State, and you don't want to miss it. Why did you need to attend? MongoDB consistently ranks among the top database worldwide in the 2025 Web Creek Developer Survey, alongside PostgreSQL and MySQL. According to DB Engines, it is one of the most popular data platforms thanks to its flexible, schemaless data model. At our workshop, you will see why major brands choose MongoDB. Agenda highlights: 1. RDBMS MongoDB migration ends on demo with the MongoDB Relational Migrator. 2. Data modeling and validation. Align your schema to real-time workloads. 3. Windowed aggregations and dead letter queues. Build resilient pipelines for high-velocity data. 4. Generative AI Application. Kickstart your first AI-powered app on MongoDB Atlas. 5. Free design reviews. You will get one-on-one expert feedback to optimize your architecture. We will also have question and answer session, which you will have direct access to seasoned MongoDB engineers. Now, you'll be like, why modernize? Legacy systems slow you down. Complex schemas, scalability bottlenecks, and high maintenance cost. McKinsey research shows data-driven companies are 23 times more likely to acquire customers and 19 times more profitable. At Legacy Modernization Day Nigeria, we will show you how MongoDB's flexible architecture unleashes agility, enabling you to deploy anywhere, scale globally, and innovate faster. Seats are filling fast. Hit that link in the description below. Add yourself to the wait list and let us modernize your data stack together on May 22nd at Eko Hotel Suites. See you there.